This time I'm at Dunsuberick Waterfall up on the North Antrim coast, just over an hour's drive from Belfast. And believe it or not, I'm going to try and pull an image out of this. The skies are a bit overcast and I'm slowly but surely losing light, so I'm going to have to pull every trick out in order to do so. First I need to try and control the light in the sky, and secondly I need to try and control the flow of the water. So for the sky I'm going to use a 0.6 Brad. This is a softly filter. So now that I have brought the light down a bit in the sky, it's now time to try and smooth out the actual waterfall itself. So in order to try and manipulate the flow of the waterfall, I'm going to use something called a big stopper. This big stopper is a long exposure filter. It reduces the amount of light entering your lens by 10 stops and by greatly extending exposure times. So now that I've got what I wanted, a quick trip home, send the image to the printers, and this is how it turned out. Let us know in the comments if you think it has to be kept or